Okay, today I have a 2013 Mazda CX-5. Issue is you get in, push the start, you have the key fob, push the brake, you get the little key indicator, go to start it, nothing happens. Try it again, push start, it should start right up. I already figured this out. I figured I'd share this with you. First thing I checked, the battery. It's locking, unlocking, locking. I also checked, because I see online, the shifter button, shifter switch. It's got to be here in order for it to work, and sometimes this gets worn out. I already ordered one because I thought that might have been it. And it was cheap on Amazon. I checked the brake switch in there that tells you when you actually hit the brake. I already knew that was working, so I wasn't sure that was it. I looked everywhere. I couldn't find anywhere where it was saying what was wrong with it. I hooked up my scanner, my X-Tool D8S. Do that real quick and I'm going to show you what it says. I think it's updating right now. So I hooked up the X-Tool scanner, put it in the steering wheel. Turn the engine on, or the ignition on. Go ahead and scan it. What kind of vehicle I have. Do my automatic scan. I won't make you sit through this. So I complete the scan, this is what I get. Powertrain control module, transmission control module, BCM, smart start unit, I mean everything. Everywhere from the power steering, ABS, instrument control. I don't know why it's not zooming in. We'll go to the list here. PCM, detection immobilized vehicle. Secondary circuit ignition coil. I mean, it lost communication with. That's a loss of communication. See if I can stop this focus issue. Look that up. That's loss of communication. I mean, it's just all kinds of the computers are all lost communication with each other. It doesn't make any sense. I can't find anything about it. Of course, I mean, I look up all these and they don't really correlate with each other. And of course, I have all the dash lights on. Like I said, I tried changing this out. I changed the battery out in this. I have a remote start that I installed a couple years ago. It works fine. Starts right up. Pushing the brake, it shuts off. Every once in a while, I was able to push on the brake, and it would not go. It wouldn't unlock my gear shifter. So, I even ordered another switch. I put that switch in, and then finally, I'm like, you know what? Last resort, I'm gonna check all the fuses. So. I checked the relays, I checked all the main fuses, I thought, except for this one, which is CUIG1. It's a PCM fuse. So I checked it, and would you look at that? It's blown. So. It's micro 15. Yes, I use Amazon fuses. They're just fuses. Get the damn thing in here. I realized I was so zoomed in. Yeah, I know there's a spare there, but let's just keep it a spare. Put this back together. And watch this. I get in, do the same thing. Got my key here. Pushing the brake, still got the green light. And look at that, starts right up. All the lights kind of disappear. We'll do a rescan. They're all popping back up. So they all showed back up. Of course, probably didn't have enough time to erase it out of the memory. We'll go ahead and clear them all. And just like that, they're all cleared. No idea why that fuse even blew. I looked up everything on what that fuse even go to, and you know what the description I get is, because it's fuse 22 CU IG1 15 amp for protection of various circuits. That's very descriptive. Anyway, yeah, so you have that issue, you get in, you can't start it, and you have no idea why. After you check your battery and it's all good to go, and you determine it's not your switch. I mean, before I would do anything, I would check that switch, because you saw, I mean, I think I'll shut it off, do it again, get the green light, starts right up. I was dumbfounded for a while. I don't get why that fuse would even blow. It worries me why that fuse would blow. That's why I tried looking it up, and I can't get anything on that either. Nothing on the internet, and unless you guys can find something, will tell you what that fuse does. Just says for protection of various circuits. I don't know if maybe the computer just had a moment, but it's an ECM fuse. But so yeah, there you go. If you're running into that problem, check that fuse. Fuse 22. Good luck. Hope it helped you out.